Alright, since my video died while I was in the middle of that last box, that Momentum box, I decided I'd do a second video for the last hits that ended up coming up out of that box. There was a Christine Michelle one color jersey piece, numbered to $3.99. Not sure how easily that is to see. Ooh. And I can't seem to get that focused that well. Well, there's that one. And there was a Zach Ertz one piece, or one color piece as well. That one also numbered at a $3.99. Two of the sort of nondescript ones. Ended up getting a Keenan Allen 4-piece. Sort of like the Tyler Wilson for the Raiders that I got at the beginning. That one's numbered at a $2.99. Not bad. The fifth auto that I ended up getting out of the box was a Jarvis Jones rookie auto. Nice card there. Numbered out of $2.99. And the piece de resistance, at least out of the jersey pieces. Nice Cordell Patterson. Two color pieces in there. And this bad boy is numbered 10 of 15. Very nice out of that. Not completely thrilled with the box, but not a bad box overall. You know, with the hits, Justin Hunter could end up becoming something. I don't think either of the Chiefs will end up becoming anything. And Gavin Escobar really probably is not going to be anything unless Jason Witten goes down with an injury. Hope you like my my breaks here. Let me know what you think. And I'll probably be doing a few more of these over the next few months.